The streets of Mandalay lay in ruins on March 31st, lined with precariously tilted buildings and mountains of rubble, as the city struggled to come to terms with the devastation wrought by a massive 7.7 magnitude earthquake that struck Myanmar. Rescue teams with excavators and bulldozers were seen digging through rubble late into the night, in desperate search for survivors trapped beneath the debris. As the rescue efforts unfolded, residents sought safety in open areas, gathering under the shade of trees with their belongings carefully laid out on mats. The death toll in Friday's, March 28th, earthquake in Myanmar has reached 2,065 with more than 3,900 injured and over 270 missing, the country's state television, Channel MRTV, said.